I feel so pretty with this red top. Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Kroma iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. But before that, I'm going to tell you guys that the Casery giveaway is in effect today. So start clicking that link down in the description box that I gave you so that you could start joining. So today is a Kroma case unboxing. So I'm going to unbox the cases and show you what I got. It's been how many months since I unboxed the Kroma cases. So after I did receive the Kroma cases for the iPhone XS Max, there has been cases that has been released in the Kroma website, and I looked there a few weeks ago and I really wanted to own one of the artist collaboration with Kroma, so that's why I wanted to feature it today. I will share it to you guys too. And so without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Kroma iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. Let's unbox it. Okay. Oh my god, there's a lot! I think they sent the ones that I like requested, so there's going to be a couple here. I feel so pretty with this red top, baby. It's Christmas. That's why I'm wearing red. So, here's the cases. The first one that I got right here is this case, or no, this is the, what do they call this? It's not the frame. Is it the frame? iPhone 11 Pro Max frame that is color blush, and I have shown you guys this from my previous videos from the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone 8 Plus, I guess. So I have featured this on my channel, and I love the blush color because, you know me, I like pink. So yeah, this is not new to you. I have a lot of backplates here. Oh my gosh. So we have a couple, like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Last one that I got right here in this package is this black frame. I have not owned this kind of color before, and this is my first time. I chose the black frame because I have a couple of backplates that would look good on this black frame. This is a lot, guys. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so fun because there's a lot of backplates right here. And oh my gosh, Kroma, thank you so much for letting me own this very nice backplates right here, and the frames and your cases are awesome. You know that you are one of my favorite cases that I feature here on my channel, so thank you so much for letting me have this or sending me these cases. We are going to unbox this frame first, take that off, and we are an expert of this one. And yeah, it's the black frame. This feels really sturdy, guys, and kind of flexible too. So they have a Kroma brand in here. So it says that this is made in Taiwan and developed in Cambridge, UK. Some designs inside, cover in the bottom. Now we are going to start unboxing one backplate. So we're gonna pick one right here. This case. And it is just a pink, kind of marble-ish. Let me show you guys close up. Let's take off the plastic. And there you go. They included an information right here. What I remembered is we have to put this one inside, so we're like kind of building a case. Let's see how it looks like.
Kroma cases are powered by Rhino Shield, renowned for providing maximum impact protection with a minimalist footprint. The shock spread material is super tough yet flexible at the same time. The cases provide incredible impact protection, far exceeding the US military drop test standard, and can absorb at least 11 feet.
It seems like the frames has been made matte now, because I feel like it's kind of grippy in here and it's not slippery anymore. So that's what I think that changed on the new frames that Kroma made. So I love it. If you like pop socket in general, it's still also very nice to put a pop socket in here. You wouldn't have any problem because it's like kind of a glass or plasticky feel right there, so it's easy to put a pop socket in there, or a spin pop, or any kind of phone grip. So yeah, this is the first case. Before I move to the next case, I would like to tell you guys that it is easy to take off. Just give your force right here. Wait. Oh, there you go. So just take off from the bottom and then the other side too, and it's easy. Okay guys, we have 10 more to go. So we need to do it fast. So the next backplate is going to be a kind of blush color right in the background. So I think the blush frame would fit on this color. It's really cute. I like this. We'll put it on our phone. So here's the second case.
Kroma cases is super thin and lightweight. At less than 3 mm thick, the Kroma is the slimmest, most protective of its type. Kroma protects your mobile without losing the feeling of holding a beautifully curved phone in your hand.
It definitely looks good also with a black frame. This is a collaboration of Sarah Faber and Kroma. It's called Earthy Urban Girl. The next backplate is going to be the next backplate is going to be a classic. They've had this in their website for years already, ever since I had my 8 Plus, but I think I just think that it's really cute for the holidays. That's why I chose this. I think this would look good on the blush frame. This backplate is called Julia. If you like ribbons, this is perfect for you. High lip. And also the camera, you can't really see it. Case is higher than the camera. This backplate is also good with a black frame. It emphasizes the ribbons in there, but I prefer the pink, the blush pink, because I love pink. But if you like black, then this is good too. Okay guys, I tried to dig my other iPhone XS Max white frame from Kroma. It kind of fits right there, as you can see, but the difference is, let me show you. You have an access with that little silent and unsilent mode right there, but it's not really moved up here in the center. You can reach it, but it's off. Yeah, you can still have the control with your volume up and your volume down, but the silent and unsilent mode, it's not really sitting right in there. So yeah, I think that's the difference. Again, this is slippery feel compared to this new one that has kind of like rough sides, rough feel. So the next backplate is going to be the Bear With Me backplate. So we're going to use the blush pink for these backplate. Transparent backplate that says Bear With Me. And there's a bear right there. And this is how it looks like also with a black frame. The next backplate is this is the I Love Happy Hour. We'll use the blush pink frame.
Kroma cases are designed to fit exactly to the device and will not loosen over time. Roomy port openings also ensures that even larger third-party cables and accessories will be compatible with their cases.
The next frame, it's Lopez collaboration with Kroma, and it's called the Sabrina backplate. I think I would pair this with a black frame. Love it. Looks nice. She's blonde and she has a red dress or a red top and a cat right there. So super cute. And the sides are dark, so that's really good for winter. This is my favorite so far in the past 30 minutes. Really good combination right here with a black frame. So the next backplate is going to be, we are going to use a black frame for this one. Really nice, super cool, very colorful. So this is the collaboration with Dacia MS and Kroma, and this backplate is called Gas Station. So it's a girl that has a very big hat right there, fancy hat, and then a crop top, red pants in a gas station. So that's really cool. Yeah, the next backplate is going to be, we'll pair it with a blush pink frame. So this is the black hole backplate in collaboration with Gigi Slab and Kroma. Very nice. I think that's her hair right there, super long hair. And then she's wearing Adidas. This is my third favorite so far. I saw that there's black colors in there too, so I thought to pair it with a black frame. Really nice, and I even like the black more than the blush pink frame. Black hole with black frame. The next backplate is going to be, there's a cat right there. And we'll pair this with a blush pink frame. So this is Ellie versus Bear collaboration with Kroma. As I have researched, Ellie versus Bear is a visual artist and illustrator. So the second to the last backplate is going to be, oh man, I love this. I really love this. We'll try first the black frame. Wasn't really expecting that it would look good, because I think with a pink frame it's going to be, you know, hiding the beautiful designs right there. Collaboration with Naimi Kanani, if I am right pronouncing it, with Kroma. I love it. And pairing it with the blush pink frame makes it even more pretty and cute. Oh my gosh, super cute. I love it. So the last but not the least backplate is right here. The Sia MS again with Kroma. So maybe we'll try the blush pink frame for these backplate right here. Yeah! It's super cute! This is a collaboration with the Sia MS and Kroma. It's called Butterfly for iPhone 11 Pro Max. I love her pink hair and a blue beret right there, and her circle or round glasses with her pink or orange lipstick. And this looks good also with a black frame. So these are all the backplates that I have unboxed, and I love them all. This is one of my favorite right here, and this one right here, and this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, and oh my god, I think I love them all. All these types of like backplates right here, I'm going to put the link down in the description box so that it's easy for you to find it. And this one definitely will be my case or backplate for Christmas Day because it's Christmassy. Oh my god, I'm so in love with these cases, these backplates, and with the frames right here. The blush pink and the black frame is so good with all of these backplates. So guys, check the website out. So as you guys all know, Kroma cases are BPA free. It means that your babies can hold your phone and even can bite it, or you know, whatever. You're not going to be able to worry if they put their or your phone case through their mouth because it is BPA free. And I think that what makes Kroma different from other phone cases out there. Very safe from chemicals, and they are very cute cases, and at the same time it protects your phone. So that's why I love Kroma cases. I think that is it for today, guys. I have enjoyed this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!